Hello business owners, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can view reports. Now to begin, click on your reports. This takes you to a page where you can see your end of day reports, inventory reports, sales reports, profit, debt, transaction, customer, year and month reports. This means year on year comparison and month on month comparison. Now to begin, over here on the end of day reports, we can see our total sales for the day, sales count, transaction inventory value, closing inventory count, closing inventory value, profit value. We can see our total expenses, new customers, debt, inflow and previous day profits. Now we can also look at our inventory report where we have our total available inventory. Now you can select and decide to view reports for different outlets. Let's view for the HQ outlets. Here you have your total available inventory value, total sales value, total sold item, total restock, value of restock, and you also have your turnover rates over here, value solid. And on the left hand side we can see our best selling items. Moving on to the sales reports, here you can view your total sales value and sales per outlet. You can view your units and also in value. Now moving on to the profit reports, here you can view your total revenue, you can view your total profits and your top 3 products total profit as well. So you can see here the products, the top 3 products and the profits of those products. Now we can also view our profit margin as well as the cost of our goods. On our debt reports, here we can view our debt recovery rate, longest standing debt, and also our debt counts. We can view the spread and see our recovery debt and total debts in general. We can see here our debt percentage of total debts by customer. We have Amaka 48.44%. So let's move on to our transaction reports. So over here we have our inflow, we have our outflow, and we have our expenses. Let's move on to our customer reports, where we can see our customer overview. We can see our active customers and we can also see our returning customer. Here we can also select for each of the outlets. So if you want to see your customer reports for Idowu Lane, Johnson Lane, you can just click on any of them. Now we have our year and month reports. Here we can compare sales, the total sales profit of 2024 to that of 2025. You can also do that on a monthly basis by selecting monthly over here. And now we can compare our total sales of the month of July to that of August. We can compare our inflow and outflow, our turnover rates, inventory value, best performing customers, and highest selling items. So that's all on reports. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.